let's examine this 18th century binding here, which is fascinating for several reasons, but first is look at this really nice metalwork here. These intricate, yeah, this is wonderful, really nice. Yeah, this patterning, it's really very pleasing. The binding is in very rough shape. It's been handled in red. Look at this. The cover is bent. This cover is bent in half, but it's held here by the leather. This appears to be some early owner's initials on this metalwork plate here. It's lacking its original brass clasp that would hold the book shut, but the relief work and the patterning here is really wonderful. I very much like it. It's a German songbook, Gesang Book here, and it appears to be 18th century, and it opens to this leaf here, so there is no formal title page in it for us to date it, but we see here that it's clearly been very heavily used, although it's largely clean internally, like so. But the book itself, the spine is well worn, and the covers are cracked, and this and that. And here are also some more song hymns, like so. A little index here at the rear, like this. Okay, here we are, like this. Register of Psalm, David. Okay. Yep. And it appears to be actually, no doubt, incomplete. It stops here. There's a catchword, and this is where the book stops. It's really offered as an example of how a binding can survive, and an example of an 18th century binding with elaborate, beautiful metalwork on it. And this is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.